Here on WIX Editor, you want to go to the page where you save all of your posts. For example, I save all my posts right here on my blog page, and you can navigate it by clicking on the top left side of your screen on page right here, and you can navigate through all of your page. After that, you can just choose on specific posts that you want to be pinned. Here, I want this handmade jewelry tutorials for beginner posts to be on the top, while right now it was at the bottom of my post, and then the first one is this copy of Create Unique Handmade. So you can just click on any random post and then click on Manage Posts, which will take you to Wix dashboard. And then right here on the post window, you can just choose any specific post again, and then click on these three dots right here, and then click on Pin Post. And there you go, now my post is pinned. And to unpin it, you can just click again on the three dots, and then click on Unpin. And then if I do preview my website right here at the top right of your screen, here as you can see, my handmade jewelry tutorials was at the top and be pinned. If you do succeed when you pin the post, there will be this ribbon sign at the top right of the post. And that's how to pin or unpin posts on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.